What's up, guys? We are headed out, snowing currently, like 33 degrees. Going to pick up my wife's new daily driver, so let's head there and see what it is. So we just pulled up to Hyundai and we're actually going to see the car for the first time. We were looking at the cars. There was one we had our eyes on and we did all the paperwork for it. Well, he went out there to start the car or whatever, and he had the key for the wrong car. So by VIN number, the way he sold it to us, it was actually a different car, same exact specs. So we kind of basically seen our car, but for the most part we have not seen it yet. So I'm excited to see what our reactions are and to actually get in the car. She's gonna be driving it, so she's lucky. It's Porsche. Here it is. Damn. Let's see. Is it captain's chairs?
Yeah. Oh, like, we do have it.
Ooh, nice. Sunroof. Dang, this thing's sweet. So it does, yeah. It does have the pop-up, which I don't like. I liked it when it was in, but this is still really nice. Big. Doors are sweet. So we're seeing it for the first time. You can look these up online if you really want to see what's going on. It's got this cool vent piece here where it looks like a whole big piece. Ooh, cold. You got your different sport modes. We'll just keep it in comfort though. You don't want to put it in sport or anything yet. Let's see. Oh, push. Push. Okay. There we go. So this is our electric wireless charging. I like these cup holders. Remember these?
Oh yeah.
So if you want space and then you just push it. Boop. Cool. Lots of storage here. USBs. Look how big this is. That's not that big. I like the embroider. Oh yeah, this is nice. The step here. It's got a nice step here for the kids. Ooh. You got AC back here. You can have it off. Oh yeah, nice. Look at this. The dogs will be running.
Oh, look, it's here.
I'm opening up the back.
You okay with me putting this as low as it goes?
Yeah, it's fine. Cool. All right, so got the Palisade home. Thing looks great. I haven't got to drive it yet. My wife drove it home, and yeah. So this is all thanks to YouTube. Bought this cash, no problem. It's so easy to just make money off YouTube, TikTok. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Just kidding. This is for my wife and I both working our butts off and bought a house and flipped it after a few years. Did most of the work myself and then hired people to do stuff I don't think I could do professionally. And that's how we got here today. This here is actually going to be my tow rig. It's my wife's daily driver, and it'll tow my trailer and the 240 up to 5,000 pounds it'll tow, so it's going to be right there at the limit. Not going to be driving any towing any like Dodge Chargers or whatever home. So anyways, yeah, this is it. This is a tow rig for next year. I thought it was a good investment to upgrade our SUV to a third row. That way road trips will be cool for the kids and the dogs, and my wife's super happy. This thing is just an awesome car. If you guys want, I could do a review on it, but I'm sure there's plenty on YouTube right now. So yeah, just saying, you know, not everything is you're just gonna be making money off TikTok and YouTube or whatever. You can get the stuff you want by just finding a career, sticking to it. I've been doing what I've been doing for 10 years. My wife, same thing, 10 years. And so yeah, I got my Hyundai over there, daily driver, my wife's daily driver, and you guys see my garage. We'll go in there. I'll talk some more. So yeah, here we are. 2 projects here, just slow progression. Like I said, I've had this for 9-10 years. The whole time I've been an aircraft mechanic and been doing everything with that. And this has been a pretty decent project, not too crazy. We'll be getting back on this here soon, and I got lots of stuff I want to do on this as well for the season. So yeah, like I said, just get out there, find something you want to do. You don't have to be doing social media or whatever in order to do drifting or do engine swaps or whatever is interesting. I mostly like to do it to entertain you guys and myself. I like to watch my own videos and kind of see progression. You know, I'll watch videos from years ago and just be like, wow, like things have changed a lot. On this thing, I think I might have figured out why it was putting coolant in the oil just by going back and watching videos of when I built it and what I might have done wrong. I will let you guys know what's up with that later. Next video, I'm not sure which one it'll cover. It depends kind of how much time I have. This is going to take a lot of time, and I got something I want to do on this that should only take a couple hours if everything goes right, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys are excited to see me progress on this and tow this, get some drifting in with our new tow rig, and we're all super excited. Another reason we did that, bought a new car, which, you know, we looked at used ones and everything, and I think this new one was 15 to 20% more than the used ones we were looking at, which had 50,000 miles minimum. And this comes with a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty and a couple other really awesome warranties, like 12 months, 12,000 miles, like full coverage warranty. Like if a knob breaks, if I break the radio knob, they'll replace it free of charge, including labor. So we decided it'd just be better to just do the whole buy a new car with the warranty on top of like towing it. You know, I might be hard on the transmission, so if it does end up failing, hopefully it'll be covered somewhat. So I'll see you guys next time, and we will get back to doing some wrenching. I'm tired. We've been making deals, you know. We were able to get it all, sold her car and got this one the next day. You know, everything just kind of lined up perfect. So super excited about that. She's awesome. She's excited. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Gonna spin it when them racks come.